with Three Little Mermaid, and the title of the research is Exploring the Absorption Ability of Fish Scales on Diesel.
Today, our ocean is silenced because of human activity and pollution. As for the Three Little Mermaid, we are here to bring the voice back. Hello, everyone. We are Three Little Mermaid. I'm Jessie,
Lori, and Joanne. And today, we are exploring the absorption of fish scales on diesel. In 2025, over 4,000 tons of oil were spilled into the ocean, turning the pale blue ocean into a layer of black oil. Also, everyone, look at this bird. Its wings are weighed down and matted with oil. To address this crisis, we turn to a solution: fish scales. Fish scales are often discarded as food waste, yet they are an eco-friendly material with remarkable potential to absorb oil and reduce pollution. Our project aligns with SDG 6 and 14, protecting marine life while contributing to a cleaner water. Lori, could you now tell us about the framework?
Yes, of course. We selected 3 fish species for our experiment: giant grouper, milkfish, and sea bass, and found out that milkfish scales exhibited the highest absorption capacity. We further processed the scale into 3 different forms: slices, floccular forms, and powder. The result shows the scaled and floccular form absorb the best. And then, finally, we conducted a chemical modification across the pH range from 2 to 13. Moving on, Jessie will elaborate more on our research data.
First, on the left, we compare the average absorption volume of the 3 species. And milkfish in flocculence form reaches the best absorbing ability, absorbing 4.08 millimeters per gram. Moving on to the 3D image, the flocculence form has higher specific surface area and thus absorb more diesel. And now Joanne will explain why neutral pH.
Sure, the statistic reveals that pH 7 best absorb diesel. The neutral environment is at the isoelectric point, where no water film is formed. The worst condition is under weak acid and bases because it deviates from the isoelectric point, creating a hydrophilic effect and thus prevents the fish scales to absorb oil. Last, under strong acid and bases, the collagen denatures, exposing both hydrophobic and hydrophilic amino acid residues, making it less effective than pH 7. Finally, Lori will conclude our real-life action and future vision.
In brief, due to the adsorption saturation effect, the adsorption capacity doesn't increase with the weight of fish scale, yet the exact number requires more data. Our team is now working on the fish scale bag as the optimal solution. With this bag thrown into the ocean, we envision a cleaner ocean and a more sustainable world. And today, we proudly speak out for our ocean. Thank you, everyone.
Thank you. It's quite interesting. So did you know the composition of these fish scales? What's the composition? Chemical composition is like calcium or something?
Chemical modification, are you asking for the part of the chemical modification?
No, the composition. What compose, what make up this fish scales?
What makes up the fish scales? We believe it's made of a collagen and amino acid.
Okay, so is this diesel absorption process a chemical one or physical one?
We believe it's both, and it could be separated both into physical and chemical.
So what kind of chemical process is happening there? Did you know?
The chemical one is the van der Waals forces, and the physical one is of its 3D structure, as we mentioned. This page of how the oil enters into its structures and it's called physical absorption.
Okay. So is there any explanation why milkfish is better than the other 2 fishes?
Milkfish will have more
Angle or
more
pores?
angles to put on the oil and it can absorb more.
And I want to add on why we choose milkfish, because it's the top 3 most exported fish in Taiwan. And in the future, we are also planning to do more species because we think the oil spill is a global problem and we want to further promote the solution to global-wise. So we will further process and experiment more kinds of fish species in the future. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you, the 3 Little Mermaids. Now welcoming Group 13, 美丽、伟毅、陈茉莉. The title of their presentation is An Exploration and Analysis of the Genetic Factors of the Tail of the